My name is Mikhail Tariku. I'm from Ethiopia, a private limited company called Shashone. Our company is engaged in commercializing social impact products. The products that we call social impact are low-cost water filters, which are bundled with Dutch filtering technology. And the other is hermetic grain storage bag, which is 100% chemical-free and an innovation of Purdue University from the US. We have been commercializing these products by using new business models for the last 5 years. It has been 5 years since we started commercializing the hermetic grain storage bag. And for the water filters, this year is our third year commercializing the low-cost water filter products. For both of the products, our target beneficiaries or our target market is the rural households. In order to reach these rural households, we are using a number of approaches. The major approach to reach to the rural community or to the bottom level of the pyramid, which is the majority of the people are at the rural society in Africa. So in order to reach those communities, we are following approaches of partnering with government organizations like the Ministry of Agriculture, the Ministry of Health, and also partnering with non-governmental organizations like the USAID, SNV, CRS, and currently we are also trying to partner with a big institution which has a big recognition in the health sector, which is AMREF. So we think that partnering with these organizations might help us to reach to the bottom level of the pyramid, the community, in creating awareness about the problems related with waterborne disease. So if they know about the problems related with waterborne disease, they will demand for our products, which is the water filter. And the other is if they know about the availability of hermetic grain storage bags, which is chemical-free grain storage bags. And again, if they know about the effects of chemicals like DDT and malathion to protect grains from insects, if they have the awareness about that, they will come to they will decide to use hermetic grain storage bags. So we are following an approach which is a little bit mixed. We don't promote our products directly to our end users, but we try to create awareness about our products through partnering different organizations like I've mentioned before. Yeah, if you see that from the perspective of the community, like in sub-Saharan Africa, between 22 to 30, around 30% of what is produced is lost after harvest. Or that means the post-harvest amount is around 30%. In short, I can give you a simple example. Last year, Ethiopia has produced around 300 million quintals of grain. Out of that, around 90 million quintals of grain is lost before reaching the consumers. So what we are trying to do is to protect this 90 million quintal of grain before being damaged by insects and other things. One, we are helping the government as well as we are helping the smallholder farmers to save what they have produced. That means enhancing food security at household level, then at bigger, at national level, at country level. The other is we are even generating source of income for the farmers. Like mostly, as you know, if you sell crop just after harvest time, the price is too low because all the farmers harvest and they sell it at that time, the price will be very low. So we are giving a chance for the farmers to save the grain for later time, 5 months, 6 months. Then when they sell it at that time, the price will hike. So that will help the farmers increase their income. Third, it protects, it helps the farmers to be more healthier and more nutrition secured. Because weevils and insects eat the inner part of grains, which is the most nutritious part. So the farmers eat grains which are attacked by insects. Though your stomach is full, nutritionally you are not secured. So it will help also nutrition security. And health-wise, If these bags are not available, if this kind of technologies are not available, the farmers are using chemicals like malathions and DDTs, which are very harmful for the health of the farmers. So using this bag or introducing this bag to the farmers has 1, food security advantage, 2, nutritional security, 3, income generation, 4, it can even save labor of women. Because like to use chemicals to treat the grain with chemicals, you need more time, you need 2 times, 3 times treatment. This is a simple technology. You pour all your grain inside the grain bag and then you tie it. As I've tried to mention, we have been collaborating with different partners, governmental and non-governmental partners. But being part of this accelerator program for the past few days has helped me to realize things that we have been doing traditionally. Yes, we have been partnering with organizations, but these days, the past few days, we have got, I personally have new experience and knowledge on how to partner, where to partner, even how to assess the gaps that we have as a business, the areas where we need partnership, and etc. This session has helped me or our organization in assessing our gaps, in also linking with potential investors, potential financiers for our businesses, and a lot of things for networking especially. I love the session with regard to the chance that I get to network with many people.